how to post on Twitter. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can post on Twitter, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to post on Twitter, which has been now rebranded to the new X logo and the X app, it's as simple as ABCD. You go and open the X application, make sure that you're signed into the account. Now to begin posting it, whether it's a tweet, a poll, or maybe a photo, video, whatever else it is, you can just tap the plus icon from the bottom right of the screen and select what you want to post. So let me just come back. You can select photos, spaces, or maybe go live, or maybe just create a tweet in this case. Now the tweets are no longer called tweets, by the way, just keep in mind it's now called posts or something like that. So you can just go ahead and select anything that you want to create here. Just type in something depending upon whatever else you want to share. You can choose to add a photo to this tweet or whatever else you prefer in this case, and after you've done that, you should be able to tap the post option to post it successfully. This way you can post on Twitter. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.